Hi guys, this might be one of the most interesting clients I've worked with this year. Today I'm helping a Ukrainian family relocate not just their home, but their entire manufacturing business to Connecticut. This isn't going to be a typical home search. They are moving from Canada. That means every decision has to work for two things: their family and their business. For their home, they're looking for 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, under 7K house, built after 1950, gas heat, excellent schools, walkable and lively downtown, or at least a short drive to one. After researching dozens of towns and school districts, I narrowed it down to 6 finalists: West Hartford, Farmington, Woodbridge, Orange, Milford, Fairfield. Each one offers something different. Some have incredible schools, some have amazing downtowns, some are perfect for commuting. Now it's time to see which one actually feels like home. But here where it gets interesting, they're also searching for a manufacturing space nearby their home, around 2,000 to 3,000 square feet, a loading bay, 200 amp, electrical service, office space within. Enough flexibility to grow their business here in Connecticut. Finding a home is one thing. Finding the right commercial property that fits a business is a completely different challenge. Over the next 2 days, we'll tour homes, we'll visit commercial buildings, we'll compare neighborhoods, and hopefully help a family start an exciting new chapter. Let's see what we come up with.
Our first stop was West Hartford. The commercial spaces worked well and the neighborhood had a lot of energy. We also toured several homes. They were well priced compared to other towns, but most were older and property taxes were noticeably higher. Fun fact, West Hartford Center and Blue Bag Square are home to more than 100 locally owned shops and restaurants, making it one of Connecticut's most vibrant downtown destinations. Next, we visited Farmington. We toured a beautiful townhome in a gated community. The layout was gorgeous. The living spaces were impressive, but the kitchen felt small for a Ukrainian family that loves to cook. And right by the entrance, overall, the home felt a bit overpriced. Fun fact, Farmington is one of Connecticut's oldest towns and is home to a historic Hillstead Museum, a National Historic Landmark with a world-renowned art. In Woodbridge, we toured a beautiful ranch sitting on a large private lot. The privacy was incredible, but the home needed significant updates, and surrounded by woods, it felt a little too secluded for what they had in mind. Fun fact, Woodbridge consistently ranks among Connecticut's top school districts and has preserved much of its rural character despite being just minutes from New Haven. For the business, we also explored a commercial property in New Haven. While the building itself had potential, the surrounding area didn't feel like the right fit, and the price per square foot was higher than expected. Then we arrived in Milford. We toured homes with water views, classical New England colonials, and neighborhoods close to excellent schools. The homes were slightly smaller, but the lifestyle immediately stood out. We also drove by several commercial properties in Milford and nearby Stratford and Bridgeport. The pricing made much more sense, and there were some solid options for the manufacturing business. Fun fact, Milford has over 17 miles of coastline and more public beaches than any other town in Connecticut. Our final stop was Fairfield. We toured several beautiful homes, and one quickly became a favorite. It was competing directly with another home they loved in Milford, but the Milford property was nearly 100K less. Fun fact, Fairfield is home to 5 beaches and Fairfield University.
After weighing all the pros and cons, one town continued to stand out. Milford offers exactly what they're looking for: excellent schools, vibrant downtown, post road filled with restaurants, shopping, and everyday convenience, beautiful beaches, direct train access to New York City, commercial properties that fit their business needs, and homes that still offer outstanding value compared to many surrounding towns. The search isn't over just yet, but right now, Milford has moved to the top of the list. If you were relocating your family and your business to Connecticut, which town would you choose? DM me in comments.